Rise and shine to all you Creekers out there. I'm Noah.
And I'm Shelby. Welcome to ITC.
Happy birthday to Thomas Farrell and Paige Wensock.
Have a great day, guys.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Students that are taking AP classes next year, you need to attend a quick meeting to get your summer homework. There has been a correction. There will be meetings after school in Ms. Pasquale's room this Tuesday and Wednesday. If you can't attend either of these days, go see Ms. Pasquale before you leave for summer break.
Attendance recovery will be held Tuesday through Friday right after school from 2:30 to 5:30. Tuesday, which is today, will be held in Mr. Doro's room. Wednesday, it will be in Miss Olette's room. Thursday, it will be in Mr. Doro's room. And Friday, it will be in Mr. Gillette's room.
We are looking for heroic leaders within Genesee County to help run Bystanders Effect workshops in high schools and middle schools during 2016-17. If you are interested, there will be a 2-day Bystander Effect training session for Gear Up to Lead. This training will be held at Flint Powers Catholic School on June 16th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and June 17th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Any juniors that are signed up to take AP Literature and Composition for your senior year, please come to one of the 2 following informational meetings to pick up your summer reading and assignments. Meetings will be held at 2:30 p.m. in Ms. Offenbecker's room, 517 on Wednesday.
Attention all National Honor Society members. There is a mandatory meeting after school this Thursday from 2:30 to 3:30. You'll be electing next year's NHS officers, so make sure you attend. Go on the NHS page on the high school app for more information on the candidates. If you would like to run for office, please see Mr. Szymanczyk.
We're just going to toss in a short video about aquatic biology for those of you who are interested.
In aquatic biology, it's a project-based science class where we do a little bit of environmental science. We do freshwater biology, all the living things in freshwater, and then we also do some marine biology as well. My favorite part of this class is getting outside, the trips to the creek. We do 3 or 4 trips to 3 different sites along the creek, and the students get to get in and sample the aquatic life there, the plants. They do chemical testing. I think the students' favorite part is the shark dissection. That's really unique. You know, when are you going to get the chance to stare down such a fierce predator in the eye? And then going out to the creek as well. You know, it's a great hands-on class. So I think they enjoy it.
Aquatic biology is the study of all living things tied to the water. They study freshwater organisms, especially those out in the creek, and things that are native to Michigan. And they also do marine biology.
Student Council will be selling Sports Creek t-shirts for $5 in the lobby during all lunches for the next few days.
Swartz Creek track athletes, go to your banquet that's happening on Wednesday at 6 p.m. in the cafeteria, please.
The last meeting for this school year for the Dragon Optimist Club is today. Your last chance to be a club officer for the 2016-17 school year. Come on out and see what they're all about. 2:30 to 3:30 in room 509. Everyone is welcome.
The Dragon's Den is misleading because there's no actual dragons in there, but it will be open until Thursday this week. B&C lunches only. All snacks will be 25 cents, and all bottle or canned drinks will be 50 cents. Sale does not include merchandise or slushies.
Join us for our last art club meeting. We'll be in Miss Kubu's room before we walk to the mural. Hope to see you all there.
Looks like we ran out of things for today.
Have a wonderful Tuesday, everybody.